Hey guys, I'm just about to head out to Bunnings to get some paint and I don't know what else I need, maybe some brushes and stuff like that so that we can use to paint over a canvas. Sorry guys, I just had to cut my intro short because it was too long. So I went to Bunnings and I got all the materials that you guys are seeing right now that we needed to stain the wooden vase that you see right there, and also the painted canvas that I bought from Kmart that you're going to see me unwrap soon. So I just wanted to tell you guys that the paintwork that I used in my daughter's bathroom, the artwork, sorry, that I used in my daughter's bathroom was made by me. I made it myself from scratch, and most of you guys were asking me where I bought it. You DM'd me and were asking where I got that, but I made that on my own, so you won't be able to find it from Kmart, IKEA, or Target, which are the shops that I usually buy my stuff from. So I just wanted to quickly get into the video and not waste much of your time. So the first thing that you want to do when you are painting and there's a frame like that is to protect the frame. I must say that if you are going to do this, you need to be very patient because you probably have to paint 3 times or 4 times just to achieve that, plain white look on the canvas. So that's what I did. I painted about 3 to 4 times and I had to leave the artwork to dry off. So that's why I've delayed to upload this video. I only managed to finish painting today, so I had to quickly edit the video. So after that, I started sanding the vase, the wooden vase, and then I cleaned it. I just wiped it with a clean cloth, and then I mixed the Vanish and started vanishing it. I only did one coat because the idea was to match this with the lamp shade, or is it the lamp? No, the lamp that I bought for the living room. So I wanted to bring in that dark brown, which is similar to the tones that I have. You guys will see. I don't want to tell you everything, but you will see when I upload the video of my living room how I'm going to match everything. So this is definitely matching with the stuff that I have in my living room. So the next video that you guys are going to see is the part 2. That would be me showing you our living room, and I'll be styling it with you guys because I already bought a rug. I went to the shops with my friend Tafazo G and we bought the rug. So I'll be uploading the video next week. I hope you guys will come back to watch. So after painting this canvas about 4 times, this is how it looked in the end. It had a little bit of texture because I put too much of that stuff that I was using, but I didn't mind the look because I was still going to go for something like a textured art piece. After that, I just started mixing my paint because I had certain colors that I was going for, and that's what I did. I mixed my paint. I don't know what I was doing there. Your girl was trying here. I was just mixing things, and I came up with some colors that I actually loved. I was happy with that. At some point, I had a lot of green and I freaked out, so I had to go back to the shops to buy some more white paint so that I could just paint over it because it was too green and I didn't want a lot of green on it. It was just supposed to be a touch of green, you know? So I had to paint over it. But I like the way it turned out. It looks really nice. I love it and I'm going to use it. I just told myself that if it doesn't come out looking nice, I'm not going to use it. So this is the moment that I messed up the whole artwork because I was putting too much green. And another thing that happened there is I was just doing too much. I didn't like how it looked at that point. So the moment I went back to Bunnings to get the white paint, I came back and I started painting over it again and removing some of the paint that was there, and then I just accidentally managed to achieve the look that I wanted. As you guys can see, this is what I wanted it to look like, and I'm happy with it. You see in the end, because I didn't stop there. I continued playing around with it until I was happy, and then I had to stop. So don't be afraid to try. You just have to be patient. You need to be very patient if you're going to do something like this, and believe in yourself. That's all I can say. So yeah, that's it, guys. Please make sure that you hit the like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Please make sure that you comment down below. Let's chat. Let's have a chat, guys. Bye.